Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about the interesting ICO project can right now. What is it? This is BEATRIX. Let's go visit www.beatrix.social. Join this crowdsourced innovation, trade and invest, receiving enormous profit in return with the benefit of propelling yourself to the next level of social consciousness. Pre-sale is ongoing now. If you register right now, you will get a 30% bonus. So what is the BEATRIX? BEATRIX is a blockchain, energy and telecommunication. RIX as the name of the token. BEATRIX is a collaboration of companies combining years of experience in every independent industry. BEATRIX is going to provide green, low-cost, sustainable energy and telecommunication to people who need it the most. The predominant focus of our dynamic project is Africa, where we are going to develop growth and progress until we become a market leader. We are equipped with a new revolutionary energy and blockchain technology that will help Africa to develop incredibly and rapidly. Then what problem and solution that we solve? Part 1 of BEATRIX solution, the energy towers. System will base of buoyancy technology will come in different overall size and power stack from 1, 5 to 10 to 25 until 50 megawatt. Here is the BEATRIX ecosystem. Decentralized energy and telecommunication distribution, targeting the needs and profiting from the market opportunity. BEATRIX is responding to the growth in demand for high-performance telecommunication. BEATRIX wants Africa to overcome one of society's greatest challenges, digital development and transformation. Modern economies and society cannot exist without electricity. BEATRIX token is backed up through energy in form of RSC RIX smart contracts. The RIX represents Renewable Energy Certificate or REC that stands for a certain amount of energy which is going to be produced in the future and is owned by BEATRIX. If buyer decides to buy the RIX including 5 kWh, they buy a certain amount of green energy tokens. The value of this purchase going directly to the previous owner of the RIX tokens. Like this, the buyer knows for certain that the energy produced is owned by him and that he will get paid from it automatically by a consumer, trader or another investor if placed on the BEATRIX platform. The electricity provided by BEATRIX will be significantly cheaper for the consumer than conventional electricity, so the demand will rise and the RIX will increase in value. The electricity price will not be affected. Why blockchaining? Because RIX smart contracts or RSC per meter or RPM, Renewable Energy Certificate or REC. All energy generated within an DETD will be managed through the development of RPM. The RPM provides a valuable feedback loop. It creates a transparent transaction on the blockchain. BEATRIX RSC solution allow fully transparent energy trade accounting, will feature flexibility energy trade in the form of an RSC. What is the BEATRIX platform? We aim to provide a board trade system that will promote a sustainable electrical energy transaction ecosystem between the DETDs, consumer, investor, and traders. A blockchain-based peer-to-peer or P2P energy transaction platform will be implemented to enable efficient electrical energy transaction. In the BEATRIX P2P energy transaction platform, an RSC is embedded in the blockchain called an energy tag. The energy tag will set condition for making every future energy transaction. In the long run, the BEATRIX P2P energy transaction platform will create sustainable energy transaction, and the expanding ecosystem will be enable the development of a trusted, sustainable, secure, and energy efficient transaction environment. This is an energy trading market for consumer, traders, investors, and renewable energy certificate purchaser. For consumer, using their mobile device and local fiat, consumer will purchase the RIX token from the platform to pay for electricity or telecommunication service in a prepaid system, much like the same way they pay for their minutes or data from the local telecom today already. Even though network coverage is not always available, 80% of Africans own a cellular device. RIX owner. The BEATRIX platform will have the functionality to display and transact with the RIX token. The scale digital currently accepted on the platform. Link equipment. The BEATRIX platform is able to link consumer to equipment. The system allows supervisor customer service based on real-time data. For example, proactive alerts can be issued to customer service agent instantly to track problems before they evolve. Smart design. Payment are supported in ways that benefit both the consumer and the provider. The system have the ability to remotely turn off the equipment if monthly payments are not made and switch them back on again once payments resume. And for RIX owner and trader, the RIX holder and trader has the option to utilize the RIX energy auction that are going to take place every time every 1 megawatt DETD is built and activated. This will make it possible for the trader of the RIX to make advantage of price change depending on demand and supply. Anyone in the world can invest, trade and purchase the RIX. There is a basic mode for users, consumer and sellers, with an advanced mode for traders. For you everyone, if you're interested with this project, because I think this is very interesting project, let's go visit the www.beatrix.social and read the white paper. Thank you everyone for you watching this video. Don't forget to like and please subscribe my channel. See you again in next interesting project. Have a good day.